If you've ever wanted to learn how to make homemade butter, let me show you how to do it. It's so easy and you only need one ingredient. All you need is heavy cream, and for this method, I'm using a stand mixer. You definitely don't need a stand mixer. You can use a handheld electric mixer or even shake it up in a mason jar. Just pour the heavy cream in and start your stand mixer on a low setting and gradually work your way up to a high setting. I like to cover it with a towel to avoid any splatter. After a while, you'll notice that you've just made whipped cream. You can definitely stop here if you want whipped cream, but we're making butter, so we're gonna let this continue to go and increase the speed. Eventually, you'll see things start to get really chunky, but keep going, we're almost there. You'll know it's ready once the solid and liquids have separated. So you just made homemade butter and buttermilk, so here's how to get them all prepared. Pour the buttermilk into a glass container through a strainer and then store that in your refrigerator to use whenever you'd like. Next, add your butter to a large bowl and then add in some ice water. Mold the butter with your hands to remove any remaining buttermilk. At this point, shape it up nicely, add some sea salt if you'd like, and you're done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something today, and be sure to like and follow for more home tips.